Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Stairless mode on the Narwal Freo X Plus robot vacuum mop. So you don't have any stairs in your house, for example, and you don't want that option to be just enabled, the stair detection option. What you want to do is make sure that you have connected your robot to the Narwal Freo app, and then select your robot in the app and click on Enter the Device homepage. Then click on the gear icon on the top right, and then select General. And here you have the Stairless mode option. So it says when turned on, the robot will stop recognizing stairs, but it can better climb over obstacles. So you can enable that option if you need it. It's going to give you a warning if you want to turn it on or not. And you click on Confirm to turn that option on. And now the option has been automatically saved and it's now enabled. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.